Hello guys, I am IK and you are watching my channel Encapsulate by IK. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock. So the model number of this G-Shock is GA-700-2ADR and the module number is 5522. So inside the box we got a user guide and an international warranty card. So it's Casio module number 5522. This user guide comes in multi languages. So with the user guide you can see the complete functionality of this G-Shock. With the user guide, we get an international warranty card. So normally G-Shock gives 2 years warranty. However, it depends upon the manufacturing of the watch itself or the model number of the watch. So inside the box, we have a metallic case. And inside the case we get our today's watch with model number GA-700-2ADR. So GA-700 series comes in different colors, and the unique part of this watch is that the dial of this watch is a little bigger than the normal G-Shock watches. So this is a very beautiful blue color. So a combination of blue and black, while black dial inside gives a very beautiful look to this watch. You can see the black rigid buttons in black color on either side of the watch, and this time we have a button at the top face of this watch, and on pressing this button you will see an LED light, this time in white color. An analog and digital time you can see on the dial of this watch. From the back side, a metallic plate which gives you information about the model number, stainless steel and G-Shock resistance information. This watch again is 200-meter water resist, mineral glass. The quality of the watch is again very tough, very durable, resin band. So a very durable, very tough and very beautiful G-Shock in blue color. Let's have a closer look. very beautiful watch in blue color. It's a very dark purplish blue color, as you can see on a closer look. A very beautiful and a very durable watch. Hope you like this video. Please do comment so that we can receive your feedback. So until next time, signing off. Bye bye.